So I'm starting off on these new projects. It's a matching, I guess, chest of drawer credenza and a dresser. Let me see if I can switch it. Nope, can't switch it around. I'll show you in a minute. So you can see, new project. And here's more drawers because I've got the matching dresser. And it's got a little cabinet. The drawers go in these insets. And you can see it has a matching mirror. So this is the beginning of the project. All these little insets are going to take a little bit of time, and I'm not spraying it. I'm doing it by hand, and it's going to be Dixie Belle drop cloth. And funny enough, here's my drop cloth. Dixie Belle drop cloth. So part of it's got the first coat on and part of it doesn't. Progress. So I'll be honest, it is Monday and I am still, and I think it's like 7:30 in the night, in my pajamas. I slept in these clothes, I stayed in these clothes. My anxiety has been horrible today. My chest palpitations, everything that goes with anxiety attacks and agoraphobia. Can't leave the house. But what it can do, that's what I was trying to figure out. What can I do? So I've been working on this dresser. And now it's got, I believe, 3 coats of drop cloth. And the matching chest of drawer cabinet. So, and I've been distressing. You can see just a little bit on the edge. I distressed. It's hard to see. It's trying to focus. There you go. Some distressing I did. So now I'm going to try to be brave and go ahead and put the clear coat and the gator hide on it. So what I'll do is I'm going to use, Dixie Belle, because that's what I use. Sorry. This is horrible. I'm horrible at this. Dixie Belle's gator hide sealer I'm going to put on the tops. That's where the most wear and tear gets, and that's waterproof, just in case someone want to put their drink up there without a coaster. You're not supposed to do that, but we all do it. Oops. See, we all do it. There's always accidents. And then I'm going to seal and clear coat the sides and the fronts and all the fretwork and nooks and crannies of it with clear coat and satin. Since Gator hide is glossy, I want it to be more satin. I don't want it to be a flat matte and be chalk paintish. I want it to have a little bit of a sheen to it. So that's what I'm doing, even with the anxiety. Just know if you suffer from anxiety or, I don't want to say depression, but maybe, or if you just are having a rough day, you can still stay inside in your jammies and get some work done, and it'll make you feel better in the end. So here's to all of us warriors who are still trying. All right, have a good night. That's Mom. Oh. Hi, Mom. Say hi. Hi. Mom just set up this. So this is the one I was showing you in drop cloth. And it's got the handles on there now. And the before pictures will be at the beginning of the video. And thank you for my messy microwave and kitchen. This is my, quote, studio. There's the other piece behind me that matches if you want to buy both. Drop cloth and Dixie Belle, cleared and gator hide, and clear coat and satin to give it a sheen. There's Jade. Petey went somewhere. Oop! Petey! Hi. Alright, there it is. Picture in picture.